Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to design a Canva website. First, select a suitable template from Canva's extensive library, offering thousands of options. Then, personalize your design by adjusting colors, fonts, and images to match your brand identity. Ensure your content is structured logically, perhaps with a clear navigation bar, to provide a seamless user experience. This initial setup is crucial for building a professional and engaging online presence. Next, focus on crafting impactful content for your website. Develop engaging headlines and keep your body text concise, aiming for clarity in every message. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to capture attention and convey your message effectively. Remember, visual elements can significantly boost user engagement. Always check that your text is easily readable across different screen sizes, from desktop computers to mobile phones, for optimal accessibility. Now, let's add some interactive elements and consider search engine optimization. Integrate clear call-to-action buttons, such as Learn More or Contact Us, to guide your visitors. You can also embed forms or link your social media profiles to encourage further interaction. For better visibility, optimize your site with relevant keywords in your headings and descriptions. This helps search engines understand your content, potentially driving more organic traffic to your new website. Finally, it's time to publish your Canva website. Before going live, thoroughly review every page for any typos, broken links, or design inconsistencies. Once satisfied, you can publish your site using a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain for a more professional look. After publishing, don't forget to share your new website across all your social media channels to reach a wider audience and celebrate your accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.